Hey guys, I'm Mick. Welcome back to my channel MYKK2083. Today is 16th of June, 2022, traveling day number 10. So yeah, but another rainy day. No shiny days anymore, no sunny days anymore. It's been raining since yesterday non-stop, and as you guys can see in here, like all those clouds there. And today I thought that we'll probably go and visit some temple, but it's pouring since morning. So but now it's reduced a bit, so I don't know about later today how it's gonna be raining or not. So anyways, today yeah, last night one mishap happened. I tried to buy the ticket from Cox'S Bazar to Dhaka, BIMAN Bangladesh Airlines, but some malfunction happened in the website, and then the purchase didn't happen. But they deducted the money from my account, but they didn't issue, like the system didn't issue any ticket in my name. So anyways, so now I have to go to the BIMAN office physically and buy the ticket physically. So, and then I tried again in the website, but there is something wrong with the website as well. So anyways, so now going to the BIMAN office, Cox'S Bazar, to buy the ticket from Cox'S Bazar to Dhaka on the 18th of if I can get one on the 18th. It's 18th of June. So let's go to the BIMAN office, Cox'S Bazar, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be able to buy a ticket. Guys, just reached the BIMAN sales office in Cox'S Bazar. So let's go inside and see if I can buy a ticket or not. Hey guys, finally got a ticket. Luckily, the last few seats were available, and luckily got one. So now purchasing the ticket, and then after that we'll go back to my hotel and we'll end this short vlog. So see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, everything is done. Payment is done. Now they are printing out the ticket. Huh? No, selfie. Now printing out the ticket, and after that we'll head back to my hotel. Where's
Cox'S Bazar থেকে ঢাকা Shaibal Hotel তারপরে দিন Cox'S Bazar থেকে Shaibal Hotel আর Dhaka থেকে Shaibal Hotel
Thank you. Guys, it started pouring again. Now stuck in here. Okay guys, it started pouring again, so let's go back to my hotel. Hopefully it doesn't rain when I'll fly from here, because if it rains then the flight will get delayed, or if there is a tropical storm. So yeah. It's like a hotel from the 80s or something. Now they turned it into a air ticket sales center. Like probably all the airlines have their sales center in there. Like this hotel was built probably in the 70s or 80s. Now they turned it into a ticket sales center. It's probably also a government hotel maybe, but I'm not sure.
ছাড়তে মাত্র বাইরে নিলাম।
Hey guys, let's go and check out the swimming pool area. Is the swimming pool area, and my balcony is up there. As you guys can see how pouring it is. So let's go. Probably the gym. So yeah, this is it, Long Beach Hotel. So this was it guys, just wanted to make a full vlog because I messed up online buying the ticket, and so that's why I had to go manually to buy the ticket, and the online purchase amount will be get refunded later within 7 days or something. I called them and complained them. So anyways, this was it, the first vlog of the day, and I'll make another new one later if I go out and the rain stops. So yeah, please like and share my videos, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you guys later in the next one.